Welcome to this video on the human blueprint. We will explore how our body functions as a masterwork of biological balance and survival. The human body is organized into levels of complexity, starting from the chemical level, building up to cells, tissues, organs, and systems, culminating in the complete human being. Our internal environment is defined by the cellular level. Here, cells are surrounded by interstitial fluid, and the cell membrane provides selective permeability, regulating what enters and leaves. Homeostasis is the fundamental principle of life. It acts as a dynamic balance, maintaining our internal environment within specific limits, such as temperature, blood glucose, and pressure. To maintain this balance, the body uses a control loop mechanism involving a detector that senses change, a control center to analyze data, and an effector to restore balance. Feedback mechanisms maintain homeostasis. Negative feedback works to restore balance, while positive feedback acts to amplify a process. Survival requires effective transport systems. Blood delivers oxygen and nutrients, while the circulatory and lymphatic systems ensure vital materials reach cells and waste is removed. Internal communication is essential for survival. The nervous system uses fast electrical signals, while the endocrine system uses slower hormones to control body growth and metabolism. We also interact with the external world through our senses, verbal communication, and body language, allowing our brains to gather information and respond effectively. To function, the body needs fuel. The respiratory system takes in oxygen, and the digestive system breaks down food into simpler components for energy. Cleaning the body is just as important as fueling it. Waste products are removed through the lungs, kidneys, and the digestive tract to maintain internal health. The body also has defense systems. Non-specific defenses protect against all threats equally, while specific defenses target particular invaders and provide lifelong memory of the threat. Survival also involves perpetuating the next generation through the processes of gamete production, fertilization, and gestation. In complex scenarios, such as running from danger, all body systems work in harmony to sense the threat, increase heart rate, and provide energy for the response. When homeostasis fails, disease occurs. Physiology is the study of how the body maintains this balance, and pathology is the study of what happens when that balance breaks down.